Hi there. In this tutorial we will learn how to switch between dimensions and nest dimensions using Beyond 2020, which is an interface used to present aggregate data. The Beyond 2020 reader is freely downloadable, and access is restricted by Carleton IP address to current Carleton students, faculty, and staff. So let's go to the Odyssey repository. And we'll do this by going to the Odyssey homepage and then into the repository. I already have it open in this here tab. We'll click to expand Agriculture, Canada, Census of Agriculture, and we'll go into the year 2001. Click to expand aggregate data. We have the options between Beyond 2020 files or Excel files, and obviously we want to use Beyond 2020 files. We'll click on metadata to expand it, and we'll go down to other documentation. And now let's click the link to click here to access data HTML. So depending on your browser, it may just open it up in the Beyond 2020 program, or you may be given the option to open or save it. So now we have opened it, and we'll go down to number 2, Farm Operator Data Tables, Part 2 by Canada and Provinces, and into Table 5, Farm Operators by Sex and Selected Variables. Here we have our pop-up. We'll click Open. And this opens up our Beyond 2020 program. Here it is. We'll click to expand just to make everything easier for you to see. So to switch the two dimensions of a table, you're going to click on the Sources Dimension tile and drag it on top of the Target Dimension file. And this is called nesting. So we'll do this by clicking on Sex and dragging it on top of Variables. So we've now nested that. We'll widen the Provinces column just to ensure that we can see everything. If too much information is displayed, you can remove a nested dimension by dragging its tile to the dimension bar. And we'll do this by clicking on Geography and just shoving it up here into the dimension bar. Note that when a dimension is in the dimension bar, only one of its items is active, and you can scroll through them by using the Next Item button. So let's resize the columns by dragging the edge of the column. Notice that that resizes all of them at once, which is very handy. Dimensions can be nested by dragging the dimension tile to the edge of another dimension. We'll do this by clicking on Geography. We'll just get it back to Canada quickly. Here we go. And we're going to drag that down to the edge of Sex. And you'll see here that it's now highlighted and it's now nested. Alright, so that is all for this tutorial, and this was created by the Carleton University Data Center. Thanks for watching!